Hello and welcome to another episode of Measurement in a Minute. I'm your host, Justin Kozak, Technical Sales Specialist with Lakeside Process Controls. And in today's video, we're discussing Rosemount's 2140 Level Detector. Now in the last video, I explained to you why we call it a level detector and not simply a level switch. So if you missed that video, be sure to go check that one out. Today's video, we're going to look at utilizing this level detector in an oil-water separator and some of the unique features that are available with Rosemount's 2140. So when we look at an oil water separator, you can see it looks like one of these two photos. Don't worry, if you're not in the oil and gas industry, this still applies. Just change oil and water to whatever your application dictates. Now, when we're looking at oil water applications, especially in upstream oil and gas, the oil is not very refined or clean at that point. In fact, there's a lot of sand and sediment in that oil, and this seems to come out in the oil water separator. So you would typically have, as pictured on the left, sand or sediment at the bottom, water, and then oil up top. Now, sand can pose a problem. Now, if you were using a typical level switch, that bottom level switch would be in the output state of on right now because there's water surrounding it. And there would be no difference between when water or sand builds up. But with the 2140, because we can monitor that frequency that fork is vibrating at, we can actually set it for what's known as a sediment or sand detection mode. And so now the vibrating fork is going to tell you when it's in water versus when it's in sand. And this is a unique feature that's available with Rosemount's 2140. And it's something that is very commonly used in these oil water separators to let you know when the sand level is getting too high and it's time to deal with that, clean out your vessel. And that's how we use Rosemount's 2140 in oil water level separators, thanks to the frequency output. If you have any questions about Rosemount's 2140 or any other of our products, please reach out to us at www.lakesidecontrols.com. Thanks for joining.